Will these eggs survive a 100-foot drop? Let's find out. How about these prime cans? Let's find out. But first, here are the rules. Me and Mo will have a $15 budget to build a contraption to keep the can safe. Mo will be team blue and I'll be team red. Let's go shopping. So I made it to Dollarama and it's raining. Let's go. Honestly, guys, I have no plan except for I know I want tape. And potentially, I want to get those little parachute guys. I don't know if that's gonna work. I don't know for 15 bucks what I will and won't be able to get, but I'm super hyped for this. I think we can win.
I have a pretty good plan on how to beat him, but we're gonna need some tape, sponges, something to make like a parachute.
This is $5 so it could probably take a lot of damage. No, let's keep going. If I bought 2 of these and carved a hole in it, it's game over and I win for sure. That could be the play. Ooh, that's cutting it close with tacks. 15. Don't need that big of a roll. That could do. These 3 ingredients would be more enough for me to cut a hole in there so the prime could fit in there and tape it all up.
First thing we're getting is tape. I'm about to grab 2 of these. Sponges right here. So let's grab 2 of these. Got the cups. I found what we need to win this. I need a parachute, but I couldn't find one. So, I had to reach out to the Avengers. Got Cap to give me a shield. You'll see how we use this.
I don't mean to be cocky, guys, but I think I'm gonna win for sure. Let's get to building.
I want more for the cool.
You gotta be smart. You gotta trace out what we're gonna cut. Yo, mine is hella protected. It's really impossible that I lose now. I went savage mode. This is very creative. This is ingenuity. I might even open my can and take a sip. Okay, I'm all done. What do you guys think? Comment below. Do you think I'm gonna win? Or is this Lofty Juve taking a win? Oh man. I've been done for some time now, but this schmuck decides to go another 30 minutes. Crazy. Update, while I was waiting for more, I got bored. Just gonna add a little more tape. Why not? I thought we were supposed to do this in 5 minutes. This guy decided to take half an hour.
1 eternity later.
Alright, these are the final forms. This is mine. That's Mo's.
Mine.
Mo's for some reason red, even though I'm team red. Mine's purple, even though he's team blue. I guess we didn't get the color memo, but that's what we got. Let's do a drop test. Before we drop off the 5th story, let's progressively go up, starting with the 1st floor. Alright, let's go.
A beautiful drop from Edwin.
You lost 1 balloon, but it survives. The can looks like it's pristine. On to the next floor. 2nd floor drop test. I'll go first. Whoa!
All right, Steve.
3, 2, 1.
Not
Safe
terrible.
to say, safe.
Not terrible.
It's safe. Moving on to the next round. We're about to do the 3rd story drop, but before that, remember, watch the end of the video where we do the 250-foot drop test. Let's go. All right, 3, 2, 1. Safe as a bean. 3, 2, 1. I see that's safe. All right, let's go to the 4th floor. 4th floor drop test. This is how the contraption are looking. You can see there's definitely some damage being took. It's poking out certain parts. It's fading. Mo's balloons are down.
But Julio's ready to take this fall. I think Julio came from Mexico and he's ready to do this.
3, 2, 1. Woo! That was loud. 3, 2, 1. Mine literally broke his fall. But I'm not gonna lie, Julio looks messed up down there. Alright, let's go see what's happening. Mine looks fine. Mine really broke Mo's fall. Don Julio looks pretty sad.
Oh man, Bill looks kind of beat up right now. It's alright, Bill. Don't worry, we'll take care of you.
We've reached the 250-foot drop. Mine is still looking pretty good. Mo's is looking intact, I'd say. Let's give this a drop. Mo, do the honors.
This is Mbaku, straight from Honda.
All right, Mbaku. Ooh, yo, I'm not afraid of heights, but this is high. 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Survive. 250-foot drop. Last one of the night. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
I know what you're trying to do.
Money. If you want us to do a 1,000-foot drop, make sure to smash the subscribe button and like and stay tuned for more videos just like this. Let's go take a look at the contraptions.
Honestly, I think he survived. I think.
Mine's definitely loose inside, but I think the liquids are definitely intact. Let's see yours.
I'm hearing something sizzle or something, no?
Are you only fair to say we gotta open them up?
Okay, first I'm gonna take off this Captain America shield. In case you guys want to see how the construction came along.
I'm gonna show you my duct tape off. Mine's a pretty tactical design. This is great for if you want to bring things across the border. Legally, of course.
I don't know, this feels like water in here.
3, 2, 1.
No way. No, yo, mine isn't
These are in pristine condition.
fresh can.
Wow.
That's crazy, not a scratch or anything, guys.
Safe to say, Mo. Wait, we both technically won. They both survived.
Look at this shit, yeah. Look at
Hey, chill.
If something takes 2 minutes to do and you're gloating and shit about it, let me tell you something. It's not gonna work out. This, it took 30 minutes to build, yes, but look how it survived.
Thanks. Shush. Maybe we're gonna do a rematch, higher floors, more budget. Let's go. Until next time, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos just like this. Peace.